Okay, so it's June 17th, and three important things happened today. It was been a really stressful day for me today. Mexico played. They won 2-0. It's my little nephew's birthday. He's 3 years old. My little prince. I love him. There he is. Evan Ben? This little fucker right here. Say hi. Hi. Que le quieres happy birthday. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so, and then the most important for me, the Lakers are playing Game 7 finals against Boston. I've been suffering since before I woke up. I had a dream, and I'm gonna say it because supposedly when you talk about your dreams, they don't come true. So I'm definitely gonna say it. I had a nightmare that we had lost by 3 points, and I was crying my eyes out, like crying my fucking eyes out. When I was ready the first quarter, we're down by 2. And I'm fucking nervous. Like, I'm not even gonna front. Like, I'm fucking nervous. Like, my heart's fucking beating, like, super fast. So, I guess I'll make another video after the outcome. Let's hope it's good. Because if not, it's not looking good right now. So, talk to you guys later.